Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I picked up a few items from the Dollar Tree. Some really cute items I found. And this is one of them. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? These are the little canvas prints that you find. And let me see, they are called wall art and they're by Special Moments Memories Collections. It is a Greenbrier product. And let's see. Well, it doesn't have a size, but let me measure it right quick. It is 6 by 6 inches this way, 9 inches this way. Isn't that cute? I love all the bling blings in there. It's so adorable, right? I love it. So I picked up this one. And then I picked up this one too. I love it. It is so cute. And then, I'm not done. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And then one more. Look at this one. Such pretty bling blings. It's so cute. They all go together so well. Look at this. So if you wanted to, you can display them all together. You know, like do some sort of collage, right? You know, like that, somewhere like that. But how adorable. I'm quite happy with my new signs. Maybe move these aside. I also picked up some bamboo rings. Now, I had bought some before. The ones I bought, I thought they were a little larger, and this seemed like a different size. So I went ahead and picked up two of these. So you get a 7.8 inch and a 5.9 inch. And they're single bamboo rings. And they seem to be like a half an inch thick. This way. So, yeah, they're... Oh, let me take that back. I picked up 3 bags. I'm going to do something with that. I'm going to put them to use. And then I found the new macrame cores Dollar Tree has. I was lucky I was there when they had both boxes available. So I did not pick up every color. I only picked up the ones that I knew I would use. So I picked it up in this cream color here. So it's 0.2 inch by 25 yards. I got 2 of this color here. I picked up 2 of the gray ones. They also had it in purple, so I picked up purple. And there's like a dark gray. Get this one. I like this one. It is cute. It has like some sort of speckles going on in it. See, here's the gray, and then that's the dark gray. Right? I like them. I'm happy Dollar Tree is carrying like different colors, because if you go elsewhere, they're a little bit more on the pricey side. And then I found these. Now I have some bottle caps like already, but I believe the one I have are like a different colored cap. So I went ahead and picked this one. These are the battery operated ones. Now they have solar ones too if you're looking for a solar bottle cap. And these are, I want to see if they're the warm lights. It doesn't say. But for some reason I read it somewhere. It must have been like on the box. So I got I picked up 6 of these because I knew I needed them. I love decorating my bottles, so you know that'll come in handy. And then I picked this one up. I have some already, but You know, it's somewhere in my Halloween box, so I needed one of these. So I was lucky that Dollar Tree has these, or one of my Dollar Tree has these all the time. So I went ahead and picked up another set. And then these like eyeballs, they light up. I like these. Look at this. It's the Dark Crystal Age of Resistance by Jim Henson. Regular price $25.99. And this is the Netflix series. But if you've never watched Dark Crystal, the original one, and you've only seen it on Netflix, I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. But I love the cover. And I love all the illustrations in here. So I picked up 3 because I went to do a journal with these. Look at this. Some cute illustrations. I went to use 2 of those books for the journal. And then the other one I want to keep as is. But look at this. How cute, right? It's a very nice cover. I like it. And it's the perfect size for a journal. Let me see. It is about 7" by 9 inches. So that's a very good size. I like my journals to have a space for me to actually hold it. I don't like the tiny ones. You know, unless I'm making a journal for little ones, I like mine to be a little larger. And then the last item, or the last book that I picked up, is this one. This is Colorful Stitchery by Kristen Nicholas. And see, the price was $15.99. I like this one. It's like embroidery, I think. Yes, it is. You know, most of the time when I go in Dollar Tree and I see craft books, I'll just like grab them up. Because I love looking through these and getting some cute ideas. But yeah, this one is really nice. I was kind of looking through it. They do have some really good ideas. And of course they have sample of stitching if you want to learn how to do stitching. And, oops. Oh, page is stuck. But see, I was looking at these like, you get the pillowcases and then they stitch those up. And then look at this one, how neat, right? Adorable. And see, it's like mostly how to decorate pillows at the front of the book. Like pretty much half of it is dedicated to pillows. And then look at this one. It's a tea cozy. Cute, right? And then look at this one. This would be cute to put on your egg when if you're doing like serving eggs for Easter, or you know, displaying it. Look at these pot holders. A kettle cozy or a coffee cozy. That neat, right? Pillowcases. But they do have some really cute ideas. I like it. I'm quite happy I found this book. And yeah, they were all $1.25. I will definitely be on the watch out to find some more of the cute books that they have. You know, Dollar Tree has a wonderful collection, right? And then the last items I picked up are these. And I picked up 3 of these floral picks. Look at that. How cute, right? Let's see, what is it called? Black Eye Susan. And I picked it up in the white color. I believe there's a couple of other colors out there, but this is the one I really liked. So I'm going to put this in the vase right here in my craft room so I can have it close by. So I can admire the cute little center on the Susans. I love having a floral arrangement on my craft table, so this will be part of that decoration. That is everything I picked up this time. I mean, Dollar Tree has some really cute stuff coming up, and I'm waiting on all the calendars to come out because you know they're starting to bring out back to school supplies. So I'm looking forward to all the new stuff coming in. Well, I hope that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.